Today we are going to see articles and determiners. Articles we use before the noun. Determiners also used to specify and to point at the nouns. So there are types of determiners. Articles, distributives, quantifiers, interrogatives, possessive and demonstratives. These are the types of determiners. Articles a and the. So generally we use a in front of the singular countable nouns. Then we don't use before uncountable nouns or plural nouns. If a noun starts with consonant sound B, C, D, F, G like that, we can use article a cat, a bird like that. Next we use and before the vowels. And is used before the front singular countable nouns. If a or and is there means it is known as only one thing. I have a pen means a. Only one pen. I have a pen like that. So an apple, an egg, and like that. The is used in front of all the nouns. It doesn't not matter whether the noun is singular or plural to describe someone or something. It is used before the unique things like the earth, the world, the sky. I saw a man. The man was Ramya's uncle. So I am saying the particular person. So there also we will be used. So we can see the rules when we should use the articles a and an. A is used before the vowel sound. Even though U is a vowel, sometimes it sounds Y or W. University, unicycle, like that. Europe. So at the times we should use A. We should not use an. We should use A before the words which begin with the sound R, honor. Even though the words begin with H, we are not spell the word H. So at the time we should use an MLA, an MA, because M sounds vowel sound. So we are using an. So a and an is meant for singular. A chair, a table, a bottle like. A and an must be used before the professions. A director, an editor, a teacher, like that. We use a or an before a typical examples. A cat drinks milk. Generally a cat drinks milk. Like after such a policy, such a long trip, like that. We sometimes use after the adjectives. So boring, a book. So about the book you are saying. So it is we should use a or an. We use a before the quantifiers. A few, a little. He is young and has little experience of life. He has a little experience of life means he has some sort of experience. It gives how many things are there. Not a word was said. Even one word he didn't spell. 12 inches make a foot. So a foot, 1 foot. She works in a hospital. It says one hospital. So it mentions things or a person. Coca-Cola is a beverage. A dog is a domestic animal. So we can use before the specific things or person. So these are the places we can use the. So before the directions, the north, the south and all. Then before the country states, the United States of America like that. Then before the islands, the Philippines like that. Before the seas, the Mediterranean Sea, the Black Sea, the Red Sea, the Nile like that. Then before gulfs, before lakes, rivers, the Ganges like that, canals, regions, poles, republics, polar regions, group of mountains, oceans, regions of countries. So these are some more examples when we can use the before the inventions. How often do you service the internet? Before the superlatives. Superlative means it itself the will come. What was the best day? Who is the tallest in your family? Like that. Before the unique things. How old is the president of your country? Before the group of people. Should people help the homeless? Before the double comparatives. The more you eat, the thinner you get. Before the countries with plural names. Have you ever been to the Bahamas, Philippines, Maldives? Before the country names. Before the seas, oceans, mountain ranges, we should use the. Next, demonstratives also comes under determiners. Demonstratives, you know, this, that, these, those. So, whatever things are near, this we will be using. Plural means we can use these. Is this John's house? These apples are mine, if it is near to you. If it is far away and singular, you can use is. You can use is that John's house over there. So when it is far away, you can use that. So plural form, when it is far away and it is plural, you can use those. Those apples are yours. Next we can go to possessive determiners. So all the possessive nouns, my, your, his, her, its, our and their. So these are all possessive determiners. For example, my grandmother gave me cake. So this comes under the my is working as a possessive determiner. So here are some exercises with possessive determiner. This is dash dress. So instead of I, which word you can use? This is my dress. Is this dash umbrella? Is this instead of she, her? So like that you can fill this exercise. Fill this exercise using possessive determiners. My name is Ralph. What's your name? Your is the possessive determiner you are using. Dash is Anne. You can fill the exercise. Her name is Anne, like that. So here also some more examples. Circle the most suitable possessive determinants for each case. In the fill-ups you can say and practice. Mr. and Mrs. Brown are my neighbors. Dash favorite hobby is gardening. Their favorite hobby is gardening. So there is the possessive determiner you are using here. Next comes distributives determiners. So what are distributives? Every, each, half, all, both, either, like that words are distributives. So here are some examples. Each child was given a balloon. So each is the distributive determiner here. I remember every detail of your conversation. Every is the distributive determiner here. Next comes quantifiers used as determiners. So already in uncountable nouns you have learned, with countable and uncountable nouns you have learned quantifiers. Much, little, these words comes under the before the noun, which now acts as the quantifier. So I saw few people in the program. Before people, few is there. So few is the quantifier used here. Jack has many friends here. Which is the quantifier? Many. So you can see example sentences here. Next comes interrogative determiners. So interrogative means itself we can see what, which, whose, like those words. Whose iPad did you use? What books did you read? Which red pen do you want? So these are the interrogative determiners you use here. We can't use the articles at all the places. Now we can see where to omit the articles. Don't use a, an or the if the person name is given. A David is a kind person is a wrong. Dr. David is a kind person, that is right. We should not use the articles before the language and nationalities like Chinese, English, Spanish, Russian, like that. Before the sports, we should not use the articles A and the volleyball, hockey, baseball. We should not use that. We should not use before academic subjects like some mathematics, biology, history, computer science. We should not use articles before the proper noun. He's a Suresh. He's a Sarita is wrong thing. If you are using like that, they are trying to behave like them. He is a Gandhi means he is a Gandhian. He follows them like that. We should not use articles before the name of the meals. A lunch, a dinner, it won't come. Charles was present at lunch, not a lunch. Before the adjective we can use. It was a delicious lunch. Articles should not be used before the material nouns like steel, toy. It is rubber, so it cannot be broken easily. It is here, rubber won't come. But you can use the article before the countable expression. Bring a bottle of milk. We should not use the article after what kind and what sort of. What kind of book it is. What kind of a book it is wrong. Before uncountable noun and abstract nouns, it is not used. Articles are not used. Honey is sweet. The honey is sweet is wrong. Sugar is bad for your teeth. Likewise, abstract nouns, wisdom is better than riches. Before the word wisdom and all, you should not use any article. Virtue is its own reward. Here also you can see, honesty is the best policy. The honesty comes means it is wrong. It becomes praiseworthy. Indefinite articles a and an are not used before the plural nouns. Before the plural nouns, you can use the definite article the. The chairs which are white are ours. You have understood the kinds of determiners and when you should use articles and when you should omit the articles. Thank you.